Shaggy shells out US $2.15 million for upscale Florida house.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Viewers, two-time Grammy-winning Jamaican recording artist Shaggy, whose given name is Orville Burrell, recently spent a whopping $2.15 million US for a very luxurious house in Florida. Now, according to the Los Angeles Times, the 5-bedroom residence is located in the Coral Gables area of the Sunshine State. The property spans about 5,800 square feet, with the entire floor plan wrapping around a courtyard with a fountain and mermaid statue at the center. Inside, living spaces with vaulted ceilings and walls of glass keep things calm with shades of white and tan, the LA Times reported. Custom maple cabinetry and slab granite countertops mar the chef's kitchen. Upstairs, the primary suite tacks on a walk-in closet, spa bathroom, and a private terrace. It is one of 5 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms in the split-level floor plan. Outside, the resort-like grounds are made greener by dense landscaping and the palm trees. A spacious patio wraps around a swimming pool and spa. Off to the side, a pavilion houses a bar and a steam room. Of note, Shaggy is not the only Jamaican entertainer in recent times to buy a luxury home in Florida, as Stephen Marley splashed the tidy sum of US $3.4 million for 2 adjoining properties on Southwest 187th Avenue, totaling a sizable 5.6 acres.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!